Hi, this is Dan Smith of DPS Legal Counsel, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm wearing my Vanderbilt cap. I'm wearing that in honor of the Vanderbilt baseball team that has made it to the College World Series this year, 2019. They went several years ago and won the whole thing, national champions. They're going back again this year. And I couldn't be more excited about the Vanderbilt Commodores playing in the College World Series. Go Vanderbilt. I'm a double alum of Vanderbilt, went to law school there and also went there as an undergrad, and so I'm very excited about the Vanderbilt baseball team playing in the College World Series. So here it is, Vanderbilt. All right, today's video is going to be about trademarks, and in particular I want to talk about a recent matter that has been in the news. You may have seen something about it, maybe not, involving a coffee shop company that has 3 locations in Northern California in Santa Cruz County. The name of the company is Cat and Cloud, and Cat and Cloud has trademarks for their business, and one of their trademarks is for clothing. Like a lot of coffee shops, they sell, shirts and caps and things that have their logo on it, and in this case, their registered trademark on it. And that all seemed good. They got their trademark when they applied for it. But after the trademark was granted, I think a couple of years after it was granted, last August, I believe it was, in 2018, a company you probably have heard of as well, Caterpillar, makes equipment, big equipment. They're one of the largest companies in the world. I think they had revenues in 2017 of $45 billion. It's a huge company traded on the public, I think it's the New York Stock Exchange. Caterpillar decided that it did not feel as if Cat and Cloud should be able to have their trademark on their clothing, because according to Caterpillar, that would cause or could cause some confusion between the source of the goods. In this case, the clothing that had the Cat and Cloud logo on it. And because Caterpillar has a trademark for clothing for the word cat, they filed a petition to cancel the trademark for Cat and Cloud with respect to clothing in the Trademark Trial and Appeals Board, the TTAB. That case is pending, and in fact, Cat and Cloud has apparently started a GoFundMe account to raise money for their legal defense. But what that is about, that whole case is about, is Caterpillar is seeking to have the registered trademark of Cat and Cloud with respect to clothing canceled, based on the fact that Caterpillar has a registered trademark in clothing for the word cat. So what can you get from this if you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur and you're getting ready to file for a trademark, or you're concerned about your trademark protection? Well, you could be cynical, I guess, and say, whatever you do, don't use the word cat in your trademark, because you could get in trouble with Caterpillar. And in fact, it's the case that within the past year or so, this was brought up in the proceedings in the TTAB by Cat and Cloud. Caterpillar has sought either to oppose or sought to cancel trademarks in 9 other cases involving companies that use the word cat for their goods. Cat Daddy, I think, was one. Sushi Cat. There's some others. So, I mean, if you were going to be cynical, you might say, just don't use the word cat. But I think the bigger thing to keep in mind is even if you get a registered trademark, you're not safely out of the woods, because someone could come up later and seek to have your trademark canceled. So you need to always stay alert, be prepared to defend your trademarks, because of course your trademarks are a valuable asset to your business. If you have questions about trademarks, or you have any other questions, please feel free to get in touch. And in the meantime, check the news, because this is going to be an interesting case as it proceeds. Caterpillar Inc. versus Cat and Cloud LLC. It's a David versus Goliath kind of lawsuit in the Trademark Trial and Appeals Board. I'm sure you'll be reading more about it as the case proceeds. Okay, I hope that helps, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.